Hello guys, welcome to the live stream. As of now, the crude is at one critical zone. This zone is a bit bigger zone of 6079 to 6097. This is MCX crude oil 15-minute chart. There is still no signal of any buying or selling, but from here it is trying to bounce. But right now, the trend is in negative. And silver is trying to take gain of this 61.8% level. Yesterday we sorted silver mini, I think. Yeah, so yesterday it gave the target of 1:2.45 or 2.5. So right now silver mini as well trying to gain 61.8% of fib retracement. If you have joined yesterday, then maybe you could have already you might have already understand how this levels came. Otherwise, you can ask if you have any doubt on this Fibonacci levels. अगर आपको किसी को कुछ डाउट हो फिबोनाची लेवल के ऊपर, ये फिबोनाची लेवल कैसे आया, तो वो आप पूछ सकते हो मुझे. अदरवाइज कल के लाइव सेशन में ये पूरा मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था. होप सबको आवाज़ आ रही होगी. इफ़ hope everyone is able to listen my voice clearly. If any issue in voice or screen, do let me know. So yesterday NG was in double upper circuit and now today in the double lower circuit, but this zone of 527.5 to 30. So this zone of 527.5 to 30 is as of now kind of a support zone. It has tested 1, 2 and 3 times. So there will be high chance that if it breaks down, then we will see 520.50 and then 517.8, then 512.3. So as of now, if NG is in this zone, so better advisable not to take the trade. This is for crude and silver. Let's see how it plans as of now. And let me see any other commodities. Yeah, this is copper. So copper is still below 23.6 Fibonacci level. कॉपर अभी भी नीचे ही है 23.60 के नीचे. कॉपर के लिए ये लेवल टेस्ट करना ज़रूरी था. और अभी लेट मी मेक जोन्स क्विकली. कॉपर If anyone have any question can ask. किसी को कुछ question हो तो पूछ सकते हो. Copper अभी भी copper has to at least go above. So these are the scenario. Go above, retest, and this will be your target, and then retest, and this will be your second target. So this is one for the copper for the upside. तब तक के लिए अभी कोई ट्रेड नहीं है. अगर ये ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है, रिटेस्ट के लिए अभी आया है यहाँ पे, अगर ये नेगेटिव कैंडल बन रहा है और 13 EMA के नीचे क्लोजिंग दे रहा है, then this will be your target, this will be your target, and this will be your target. So let me make it clear. Okay. एक सिनेरियो ये हो गया, and the second scenario will be like this. So this is the second scenario in copper, and this is your NG. Gold is falling. Gold, most of the commodities are today in a downtrend. Lead aluminum is also in the downtrend, and now this is the major breakout for aluminum to go up. Then zinc is also sideways. Okay, so let's see what happens. If crude goes below this, then there will be the chance of 6053. अगर आपको लेवल्स नहीं दिख रहे तो यहाँ से आप लेवल देख सकते हो. Okay. एनजी अभी भी डाउन ट्रेंड में ही है. या क्रूड सपोर्ट ले रहा है यही जोन से, एंड सिल्वर इसके ऊपर ट्राई करेगा. सो लेट मी सी लाइक दिस. अगर रिटेस्ट सक्सेसफुल हुआ तो ये जोन यहाँ तक आपको टारगेट मिल सकता है. अगर ये रिटेस्ट फेल हुआ तो सीधा डाउन. ये हो गया सिल्वर के लिए। क्रूड के लिए अगर यहाँ से सपोर्ट लिया, इसको ब्रेक किया तो डायरेक्ट यहाँ तक, एंड इसके बाद सीधा ये जोन तक आ सकता है, एंड इफ इट इज गोइंग अप देन सीधा डाउन मूव। सो ये क्रूड के लिए इतने सिनारियोज है फिलहाल अभी से यहाँ से, एंड सिल्वर के लिए ये रहा सिनारियो यहाँ पे। सो नेचुरल गैस के लिए इसको यहाँ इसके ऊपर क्लोज होना ज़रूरी है 539 को, 539 गेन करना ज़रूरी है नेचुरल गैस को। ये कैंडल क्लोज नहीं हो पाया, बट 13 EMA के ऊपर होल्ड कर रहा है कैंडल सिल्वर का। सो अभी भी फिर भी कुछ है नहीं इतना, सिग्नल नहीं इतना कैंडल प्रॉपरली। ये कैंडल तो इसके ऊपर ही ओपन हुआ डायरेक्ट। वॉल्यूम कितना है? अच्छा, लास्ट वाले कैंडल पे अच्छा खासा फाइट हुआ है, वॉल्यूम देखो। सो अभी यहाँ से कुछ हो सकता है। क्रूड में वॉल्यूम की कमी है क्योंकि आई थिंक ये 19th ऑफ दिसंबर को ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्सपायर होने वाला है उसका। सो सिल्वर में ये कैंडल क्लोज होने का वेट करो, इसके ऊपर अगर सस्टेन हो रहा है तो ट्रेड ले सकते हो लॉन्ग का, बट एक स्कैल्प रहेगा। और एनजी में इसको 539 के ऊपर सस्टेन करना पड़ेगा। अगर एनजी इसके ऊपर सस्टेन हो गया देन एंड देन एक ट्रेड बनेगा। Anyone have any question can feel free to ask. So wait for 5 more minutes for this candle to close in silver. Silver still there. Now if you want, once this candle close, if you are a risky trader, you can enter on the next candle with a stop loss below this 13 EMA. Otherwise you can wait for the retest. आप retest के लिए wait कर सकते हो and then आप buy कर सकते हो. And NG is also going up. Crude is also bouncing from this zone. This is actually silver mini, and this is the silver. This is also giving the breakout of 61.8% retracement. If it is sustained, then there is a good chance to go up for silver. It can come to test even 38.2% retracement. And in the meantime देखते हैं डाउ जोन्स क्या कर रहा है. डाउ जोन्स नीचे ही बैठा हुआ है, कल का जो लेवल था उसके नीचे. વેલકમ રાહુલભાઈ, કેવો રહ્યો આજનો દિવસ? બસ જો શાંતિ છે, ફ્રી પડ્યો આજે. સિલ્વર જાય છે ઉપર. हमारा रिटेस्ट, इसमें रिटेस्ट करने के लिए वेट कीजिएगा. अगर रिटेस्ट हुआ तभी आप इसमें लॉन्ग जा सकते हो. वरना ब्रेक डाउन होके नीचे भी आ सकता है। रिटेस्ट का वेट करना ज़रूरी है। एनजी में भी यही है, नेचुरल गैस में, क्रूड में भी वही सीन हो रहा है अभी। सो वेट करो, वेट एंड वॉच। सिल्वर ने अभी जस्ट नया दिन का हाई बनाया, डेज हाई। सिल्वर इज एट डेज हाई। Let's see how it is played out in silver. Better to, if it is giving the a bit of a retracement till here 67,634 or 67,650 in silver, then it will be a good trade to go along. But if it is giving the breakdown of this, then avoid the longs. Let's see, right now it is at 200 EMA on 15-minute time frame, so there will be chance that it will face the resistance from here. So better wait, and if you want to take the live train to catch this up move, then your stop loss will be a little bit bigger. आपका स्टॉप लॉस बड़ा हो जाएगा अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे, अगर लॉन्ग पोजीशन अप्लाई करें कि आप यहाँ से भी एंटर करना चाह रहे हो। सो आपका अगर 1:7 भी रेशियो रहेगा, रिस्क रिवार्ड 1:7, सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस। आपका स्टॉप लॉस ऑलमोस्ट हो जाएगा यहाँ से नीचे के लिए 300 पॉइंट्स का। सो विच इज़ a bit of you know risky. Better to retrace 100 or 150 points. But if you want to take a risk, you can take a risk with this much of stop loss. Otherwise, wait for a retracement, and then if it is retracing successful, then you can take a buy trade. तब तक के लिए आप होल्ड कर सकते हो या वेट करो। एक रिट्रेसमेंट है, बट वो रिट्रेसमेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए कि इसको सस्टेन करे। एंड नेचुरल गैस इज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू रिट्रेस 545, एंड ये एक आज का ट्रेंड लाइन था छोटा सा, सो उसके ऊपर तो निकल चुका है, बट अभी देखते हैं इसके ऊपर सस्टेन हो रहा है कि नहीं। देन यू कैन टेक अ लॉन्ग ट्रेड, बट 550.90 मतलब 551 और 550.90 is a one level that it has to break to reach this 556 zone and 557 zone. देखो, वेट एंड वॉच। और बाकी हाउ वाज द डे टुडे फॉर वो आर वाचिंग एज ऑफ नाउ? कैसा रहा आज का दिन? जो लोग देख रहे हैं या फिर अभी देख रहे, राइट डाउन इन द चैट बॉक्स और कमेंट, कैसा रहा आज का दिन आपके लिए? देखते हैं निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में कैसा रहा था आज का प्राइस एक्शन। थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ मैं। आई विल एक्सप्लेन लिटिल बिट ऑफ निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी प्राइस एक्शन। हाउ वाज द प्राइस एक्शन टुडे? Let me open the chart of Nifty Bank Nifty. So ये रहा निफ्टी का चार्ट। सो निफ्टी में क्या हुआ आज? एंड बैंक निफ्टी में भी क्या हुआ वो भी देख लेते हैं। एंड ये रहा बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट। चलो पहले निफ्टी देख लेते हैं। सो लेट्स वॉच निफ्टी, व्हाट हैपन इन निफ्टी टुडे। सो फर्स्ट it opened somewhere here. Let me go on a 5 minute time frame for easy understanding. It went till up and it gave the breakout of 18,425, but the next candle didn't give the follow up and it was like a bearish engulfing. तो ये जो था बैंक निफ्टी ओपन हुआ सपोर्ट लेके यहाँ से सीधा ऊपर गया और 18,425 के ऊपर जाके दूसरा कैंडल ब्रेकआउट दिया, बट द नेक्स्ट फॉलोअप जो कैंडल था वो बियरिश एनगल्फिंग निकला पूरा। एंड देन इट ड्रैग द निफ्टी अगेन बैक टू द सपोर्ट जोन ऑफ 18,282। फिर वापस से ऊपर गया, बट फ्लिप जोन जो था वो उसको पूरा कंट्रोल करके रखा फ्लिप जोन, एंड फ्लिप जोन से वापस नीचे लाया, वापस सपोर्ट जोन अभी रेजिस्टेंस बना दिया। एंड हर एक सपोर्ट अभी रेजिस्टेंस जोन के तौर पे, जैसे ही ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा था हर एक सपोर्ट जोन रेजिस्टेंस जोन के तौर पे काम कर रहा था आज। सो एवरी सपोर्ट जोन वेयर broken and every support zone were working as a resistance zone after that. And wait for this silver is coming down to retest. And those who are playing in light quantity, they can play in silver mini, because here it will cost you 35,000 per one lot, and 1 point change is almost equal to your 5 rupees profit and loss for each and every 1 point. सो आप देख सकते हैं अभी सिल्वर का रिट्रेस किया यहाँ पे। ये चलती गाड़ी पे नहीं चढ़ना है, एक बार रिट्रेस लेने दो, फिर कैंडल क्लोज होगा तो बाई कर सकते हैं, बट तब तक के लिए वेट करो। एंड देख लेते हैं निफ्टी में क्या हो रहा था। सो निफ्टी में वही हो रहा, एक बार ब्रेक डाउन दिया, वही सपोर्ट जो था वो रेजिस्टेंस बन गया, वापस ब्रेक डाउन दिया, वही सपोर्ट जो था वो रेजिस्टेंस बन गया, और वापस जाके नीचे 246 एंड 250 एंड 280 जोन के बीच में क्लोज हुआ। सो निफ्टी में बस लेवल पे ही काम था, बट एक अगर 15 मिनट की टाइम फ्रेम पे देखो तो एक कैंडल सिग्नल दिया, ये एक कैंडल सिग्नल दिया। आप देख सकते हो कि काफ़ी बियरिश वीक था, बट ये कैंडल एक अच्छा साइन है। जब फ्लिप जोन पे ऐसा बियरिश कैंडल बनता है सेलर वीक वाला, तो सिंपल करना है कि इसका जो हाई है उसको स्टॉप लॉस लगा देना है, और वो स्टॉप लॉस लगा के आपको जस्ट पुट ट्रेड में बैठे रहना है। और आप पार्शियल बुकिंग प्रॉफिट कर सकते हो जब भी ये सपोर्ट जोन पे आए तब, एंड देन आप पार्शियल बुकिंग कर दो, फिर आपका स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेल करते जाना है, देन यू हैव टू कीप ऑन ट्रेलिंग योर स्टॉप लॉस. So this was a simple scenario in simple scenario in Nifty that happened today, and let's see what happened in Bank Nifty as well today. So let me adjust a bit. अच्छा यहाँ से low from CG. Vicky the stranger. What is CG? चंडीगढ़ दसो जी. की हाल. एंड ये लेवल यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्यों चला गया. सो बैंक निफ्टी में क्या हुआ कि ओपन तो हुआ एकदम सपोर्ट पे, जाके सीधा हिट कर दिया फ्लिप जोन पे. 15 मिनट की कैंडल सीधा फ्लिप जोन पे जाके क्लोज हुई, एंड वापस वही रिजेक्शन होके पूरा वॉलेटाइल होके एकदम 43,080 तक आ गया. अभी एक काइंड ऑफ अ डबल बॉटम पैटर्न जैसा दिख रहा है, और मैंने आपको टेलीग्राम पे भी लिखा था कि जब तक 43,333 सस्टेन नहीं होता तब तक बुल्स के लिए बहुत स्ट्रगल रहेगा. लाइक आई व्रॉट दैट एटलीस्ट बुल्स हैज़ टू डिफेंड बुल्स हैव टू डिफेंड 43,333. सो 43,333 अगर 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे देखो कि यहाँ से पूरा अच्छा बाउंस तो किया 43,080 से, जाके यहाँ तक आ गया 43,405 के ऊपर एक कैंडल क्लोज दिया, दूसरा कैंडल एक बायर वीक वाला बनाया, बट इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ ड्रैगन फ्लाई दोजी, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट कैंडल क्लोज बिलो द लो ऑफ दिस दोजी, एंड till then none of the candle went above this 43,405. So this was a scalping, and then at this point I wrote in the telegram group that from here bulls has the chance to pull it up. So दो कैंडल के लिए वेट किया, देन नेक्स्ट कैंडल पूरा बुल ने प्रेशर लगाया, बट बियर्स आर ऑलरेडी इन द मार्केट, सो दे पुल इट डाउन. इसका अगर कैंडल देखोगे तो ऐसा टाइप का कैंडल, सेम टाइप का कैंडल यहाँ पे रिवर्स में बना, बट सिर्फ लेवल्स पे काम हुआ है अपना, कुछ ज़्यादा तो इतना वो नहीं है. यहाँ पे एक अगर किसी ने बाय ट्रेड लिया रहेगा तो उसका यहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया 5 मिनट कैंडल पे. So, बाकी तो कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं, लेवल पे फॉलो अप ही था. मॉर्निंग में काफ़ी बड़ा वॉलेटिलिटी था, उसके बाद धीरे 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 ऊपर गया एंड वापस धीरे धीरे नीचे आ गया. बट सबसे अच्छा ट्रेड था यहाँ से फ्लिप जोन पे शॉर्ट करना निफ्टी को. ये कैंडल पे शॉर्ट करना था, वो परफेक्ट ट्रेड बन रहा था आज. ओके निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी हो गया. अगर कुछ किसी को डाउट है तो बताइए. चलो सिल्वर देख लेते हैं. चलो सिल्वर अभी भी यहाँ पे है, और ये जो कैंडल है अभी रिस्की है. 50-50 चांस है यहाँ से सिल्वर का बाउंस होने का, बट अगर यहाँ पे आ गया तो अच्छा बाउंस मिलेगा. बट अभी अगर सिल्वर देखो, अगर ये लेवल भी नहीं तो ये वाला जो लेवल है यहाँ से बाउंस कर सकता है सिल्वर. एंड if you want you can take the trade in silver with the long, and here risk reward is fair enough for you. but it will be a bit still risky trade because silver has already moved from here to this much. So if you see how many points, already 1000 point it has recovered from the low. So here if you are aiming for a big target, then don't watch don't aim for a pretty big target as of now for silver. And crude is still here in the same range, and NG is again coming back below the trend line. So just wait and watch for silver. It has to sustain. This is one scalping trade that you can see as a 1:2 ratio, and this will be, sorry, not 1:2, 1:1.8 risk reward ratio. But go with light position in this silver mini. इफ़ यू आर अ न्यू ट्रेडर, अगर आप न्यू ट्रेडर हो, कमोडिटी में पहली बार ट्रेड कर रहे हो, तो आप सिल्वर माइक्रो या सिल्वर मिनी से ट्रेड कर सकते हो. सिल्वर मिनी में क्या रहेगा, 1 पॉइंट का चेंज आपको ₹5 का प्रॉफिट या लॉस देगा. सिल्वर माइक्रो में आपको ₹1 का 1 पॉइंट का चेंज ₹1 का प्रॉफिट या लॉस देगा. बट अगर आप सिल्वर नॉर्मल में जाओगे तो आपको 1 पॉइंट का ₹30 प्रॉफिट या लॉस देगा. सो इसमें सिर्फ अगर 100 पॉइंट्स भी चला गया तो आपको लॉस हो जाएगा पर लॉट ₹3000 का. बेटर है आप सिल्वर मिनी में या फिर सिल्वर माइक्रो में, सिल्वर माइक्रो या सिल्वर मिनी में ट्रेड करो. बट अच्छा ट्रेड ये रहेगा अगर ये यहाँ तक आता है देन पुल अप होता है. अदरवाइज ये इसके नीचे अभी ब्रेकडाउन दे दिया, देन इट विल बी अ सेल ट्रेड अगेन. सो किसी को कुछ डाउट या कुछ क्वेश्चन हो तो पूछ सकते हो इन द मीन टाइम. इसको मैं कर देता हूँ डॉटेड. देखो ये भी आ रहा है नीचे. वेट करो, अगर यहाँ पे सस्टेन हुआ तभी बाय करना है. अगर ये कैंडल वापस नीचे क्लोज कर दिया देन इट विल बी अ बिट रिस्की ट्रेड. मैं ये ट्रेंड लाइन खींचूँ तो कुछ ज़्यादा तो फ़र्क नहीं हो रहा है इसमें. ये ऑलरेडी ट्रेंड लाइन का ब्रेकआउट दे चुका है. अगर आप कल के स्ट्रीमिंग में थे तो आपको एक ये लेवल दिखाऊंगा मैं। ये वाला जो जोन था ना कल, काफ़ी रेजिस्टेंस के तौर पे काम कर रहा था। अगर इसको निकालना है तो इसको एक पुल बैक लेके फिर एक ऐसे करके निकाल सकते हैं, वरना फिर जैसे क्रूड में आप देखोगे, क्रूड में 1 आवर पे ये जो जोन था 63806420, यहाँ से गिरा था, एक बार आया वापस गैप डाउन हुआ, कल आया वापस गैप डाउन हुआ, वापस टेस्ट करने आया और गैप डाउन होकर पूरा अभी सेल ऑफ हो चुका है। और अभी यहाँ पे देखोगे तो ये जो जोन था 6079 वाला, वहाँ से उसको काफ़ी बार बाउंस मिल चुका है। अगर ये जोन टूटा तो वापस क्रूड जो है वो नीचे डाउन रैली कंटिन्यू रखेगा। बट ये एक टाइप का फ्लिप जोन है, इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ अ फ्लिप जोन इन विच देर इज़ अ चांस दैट इट विल रिवर्स फ्रॉम हियर। Let's see. If anyone are in the trade, just keep the stop loss below this zone for the long. But the stochastic RSI is saying that you will get the move, but already stochastic RSI is above 80 level. So to make a new long from fresh long from here is a bit risky. Chances of SL hit is, chances are high that your SL will be taken out. Same with the silver as well. If you take the trade of the long and stochastic RSI is already on the top zone, so chances of hitting your SL are a little bit higher than the normal. So if you can do the scalping, you can do keep quick scalping, and you can enter and exit with few hundred points or 150 points. But as of now, it's still the wait and watch game. नॉर्मल सिल्वर में ऑलमोस्ट रीटेस्ट हो चुका है और एक क्विक अप मूव दे सकता है। Yeah guys, so I'm back now. Let's see, silver is about to give the breakdown, and let's see if this candle close below 61.8%, then it will be sell trade. But if it sustain, then reversal of upside is possible because it is coming to 13 EMA. But stochastic RSI is already showing that it will be on the downside. Crude is still sustaining, but it gave one type of a spinning top, but kind of a doji candle, and gave the closing below it. So crude has a chance that it will go down now. So let's wait for silver, and this is silver mini. Hi Dayanand, how are you? And natural gas, one candle is below this, one candle is trying to go up, but stochastic RSI is showing that a downfall will come, or maybe here it will make a kind of double top and then fall. So let's wait and watch. Silver is maybe about to give a good sell trade now again. Let's see. Hi Dayanand, how are you? I think today is a natural gas future contract expiry. No, it is on 27th. Welcome Dayanand. My day was good. How are you? How was your day? Silver is breaking down, crude is sustaining, and I think copper should be a short trade. Copper, oh yeah, below this copper will be short trade. Uh, then gold is also shooting down. Gold mini lead, aluminum rejecting from the 211.50. Let's see if it is yeah, it is going down, aluminum as well. Zinc is also going down. Zinc, I'm not trading zinc much, but yeah, this looks good for natural gas and copper and crude. Wait for this candle to close below 13 EMA over this zone. If it is coming up and make a kind of a rejection, let least, or a fall off red candle, then it will be short trade because the stochastic RSI is showing a down moment. Natural gas is a little bit volatile between 539 to 545. If it is closing below 539, then it will be sure short trade for the short. If it is going above 545, then we have to wait for the proper follow up. Let's still wait and watch. Guys, do like the video so that it can reach to the maximum people, and also ask your friends to like this video. Let's see where natural gas wants to go, up or down. Let's see, it's first gave the closing downside, and if it is going up making double top, then we can sort from somewhere here, 550 as well. Silver is taking support near 13 EMA, but this is a sign that there will be the fall might come soon or later. Crude oil wants to go up. Silver and silver mini both are showing the same. Let's see what happens in silver. Crude is bouncing as of now. Or maybe this is the support line, so maybe it will bounce back once again. So wait and watch, bounce back, and if it is coming to test this or this and then make the red candle or rejection seller wick candle, then from here we can short with the small stop loss till 200 point, and then take the sell trade with minimum 1:1.7 risk reward. NG looking, it's keep on facing resistance from 545. Also the 200 EMA is also there on 15-minute time frame. Look, it is again at the, so can be this scenario can play out, and this scenario. Just wait for the candle to close. Don't, no need to be jumping on the live trend. लाइव ट्रेंड पे जंप नहीं करना है अपने को, वेट एंड वॉच, कैंडल क्लोज होने दो. एक जजमेंट अपना ये रहेगा कि इसको ब्रेकआउट किया, रिटेस्ट के लिए आ रहा है, एंड देन यहाँ से एक पुल बैक का अपसाइड का एक छोटा ट्रेड मिल सकता है, एंड देन फिर यहाँ से वापस सेलिंग आ सकती है. अगर ये नीचे क्लोज हो गया, सो देर इज़ अ चांस दैट it will come down to test this or maybe test this, and then selling will come. Stochastic RSI is like in between as of now. It can come back and bounce from here as well, like in the like yesterday. If you see here, it came back here and bounce again. So like it gave this big red candle and then bounce back. So from that range we can take the sell trade. So same here, we have to wait if it is taking the trade or. So we need two things to check. First, where the price is closing. If the price is closing at 61.8% or a bit above, so we can play one buy trade with the stop loss of this low, and the target will be till this zone and 50%. But if it is closing below this 61.8%, then chances will be like that. If it is going up, then there will be the chance that it will face resistance from here, and then we can take the sell trade. As of now, it is below this doji low of this doji candle. So if I mark just the low of this doji candle, it is here. So the candle is closing below the low of this doji, and even trying to close below the low of this green candle. So I think it is coming to take out all the stop losses from buyer who have taken the entry from this big, who were chasing this green candle. So it is taking out the stop loss of all these new buyers. Okay, so candle is exactly at 61.8%. So I would like to take a buy entry with respect to stop loss of so I took the buy. I will put SL a little bit here. So my SL will be how much? Almost 140 150 point top SL, and this will be my target, which is like 295. So actually my entry is 67,591. Actually I got entry at 57,591. My stop loss will be just below the low. Low is 450. 67,400 will be my stop loss, and 67,880 will be my target. So this is just small 1:1.5 scalping trade. This is just one scalping trade. Chances are that it will broke this, and then we will get into the sell trade. But as of now, this is the scenario. Yeah, you can take the paper trade if you don't want to trade. I only took the trade with one lot because it is just a scalping trade, so this is undecisiveness as of now. But as per my scenario, like a retest and then going up, so with respect to this scenario, I only applied only one lot, and when I swipe, so I got the entry at 591. So already it is almost 60, 70, 80 points down, 90 points down from my entry. So maybe I will stop out at this level. Stop loss based on this low, but I kept a little bit like a 50 points more in case of a volatility extent. So I kept this much of stop loss, and my target will be till this zone. Stop loss based on only experience, I kept just below this. And if you still want to know how to take the stop loss, then apply this average true range. And if you go in average true range here, it is showing 190, so it is like a pretty much big. So your stop loss should be 190 points below the low of this candle, but I don't want to give that much of big stop loss for this risky trade. So that's why I gave this low with pretty much of 50 point extra. So this will be my only stop loss as of now. Anyone have any question or doubt, do let me know. But this is risky trade, so trade with the light position, because it is still trading below 61.8%, and there is a chance that it will break down this. If it is sustaining this, then there is a chance that it will first try to go up, and then from here the seller will get activated. Natural gas is still at the trend line. Crude oil keep on bouncing from this zone, and copper is a pure going down. Copper is still in downtrend. Then gold is going down but sustaining. Aluminum is at critical level 210.55. If you watch, it was a earlier breakout level, so we can say flip level. So as of now it is a flip levels in aluminum 210.50. If it sustain, then there will be chance that bounce, but so far it has tested 1 2 3 and now this is fourth. So there is a chance that it will break down this level because it has been tested a lot of for time, this level. Silver is still going on. Hope then and you get the point about the stop loss. It is just few points below the low of this candle, and so far it is sustaining 13 EMA as of now, so which is a good thing for us. And let me go to the crude. Yeah, so my entry is at 67,591. Stop loss it as 67,400. Target is 67,888. Yes, ATR will be like below the low of this candle. That will be your stop loss. So if you apply ATR, so ATR value here it is showing 190. So if you take 190 from the low, so it will be pretty much big stop loss for such risky trade. And then if you go, let's say from here, so the low of this candle is 450. Okay, so 450, and it will be around 260. So your risk reward will be less than 1, right, which is not good. So at least you have to aim for 1:1.7. But the thing is, it is already stretched 1000 point, and now you want that it to go another 500 point. So it is a bit risky that you keep the stop loss this big, because this is 61.8% level. So from here any side of big movement will come. So that's why I don't want to give this big stop loss. So I kept just a few points below the low of this candle. If stop loss hit, then I will exit with the loss. Stochastic RSI is also at the same level. Let's see from here it bounce or no. If it is breakdown, then there is a chance that it will go down. So since $350, crude falling. Crude has to go down this, and then there is a waterfall in crude. It's like going down and then crazily it is taking support from that. Now NG is going to make a bit of a double top in stochastic. So maybe it will give quick up move, big candle, and it will trap a lot of people from this zone, this zone. So from any of this level the selling will come if it is going for the breakout. So if you play a long in NG from this point, consider a bit counter trade with respect to this stochastic RSI only. But the price is sustaining above 539, which is a good sign as of now. But it is making one red and one green candle. And let me see the volume. So volume is a little bit dried up here after this big selling. Yeah, now I think it will start to take the stop loss. Copper, this is the zone 699. This is a little bit of a bigger zone for copper. 699.35. What was the zone? 689.90. Nine eight. Copper, yeah, seller wick. Here it was also seller wick, but 13 EMA could be your target here. It made the double top, so 13 EMA. Now it is coming to test this. Silver, the selling volume is a little bit dried up here, and let me apply one more thing, like average of last 20 candles volume, and I will apply with a bit of a black line. I need a step. So if the selling volume follow up will be at least more than average of this 20 candles, then there is a chance that the selling will be pretty much fast. And as of now we are still holding this trade with a loss. So now we will just act like the robot. We will exit on either target or once our stop loss is triggered. And crude oil, yeah, coming to test this zone again. 1 2 3 4. Now this is the 5th time that it will come here. Let's wait and watch for crude. So now NG is stuck between 539 and 545. If you don't apply anything, so just wait for any candle to break out above 545 to go long quickly. But remember that the selling will be fast and furious if it is coming under the selling pressure, and if it is closing below 539, then there will be the 532 as a 532 will be your target. Seller, is it seller wick in crude? Top of the candle in the crude, where top, this is from yesterday. Yesterday we already discussed this was the selling candle. This is not a seller wick. This is typical selling going on. Seller wick, no, this is also not seller wick. This can be one kind of undecisive pattern, undecisive candle, which is like if it is breaking the down, then the down will continue with stop loss of this candle's high. If it is goes up, then it will be continue to go up with the stop loss of this candle's low. Let's see how this last 4 candle. Yeah, this is, you can see, if you see this type of candle, and now you watch this Nifty. If you see here, 1 2 3 3 times it gave the selling. 1 2 3 4, here it gives the 4 times selling. So we are still in this silver, running with the loss. Let's see, now it is in the mood to break this. So this 15-minute candle will be the descending candle now for us. Anyone have any question or doubt, feel free to ask. Don't hesitate to control yourself or restrict yourself for sharing your thoughts as well. If you feel any trade that you can watch, you can feel free to share your trades as well. This zone is not easy to break down because this zone is giving a lot of buyers. Once the price is coming above it, it's always shooting up. So it will take a little bit of more time to break this. Aluminum still sustaining this flip level. Let's see if this works, that it will make the bounce because of this stochastic RSI to go up. Otherwise, if it is breaking down, then we will go into the sell trade. Wait and watch. For the natural gas is simple. 545, if it is sustainable 545, one quick buy trade will be initiated. If it is going below 539, then this is the proper signal for you to have the sell trade. Let me see if there is any connection. Yeah, this connection is there. So NG should be coming under the selling pressure pretty much soon. Wait for taking 13 EMA. Yeah, 13 EMA is amazing. It will take. This is pretty much good for your. How to say? Pretty much good to help you during the intraday as immediate support and resistance. Now it is back to almost cost to cost for me. Let's see if it's sustainable at least 576 or 580, then upside is uh, upside is visible in silver again. NG 5 minute making double bottom. No, kind of. This type of double bottom is much more preferable. So that's what I said. If you see here, there is a chance. Let me just show you one example here of how it will work. So it made the first top, and then there is a chance that it will go, and from here it will break. So in this much of time, we don't know how much the price will move up. So for that we have the levels. So in the levels we can observe. So from here the buy signal will be generated if it is closing above 545, but be sure that there is a fall coming in NG as well, because it will go up but price will be still going up, but once it breaks down, then get ready for a downside of a move in NG as well. Crude doing best to sustain this, also kind of going to make the double top, but whenever it gets activated, then you have to take the trade in short side. Also for the silver, if it is going up, it will be like double bottom at this level, but from the top we can also enter into the sell trade. Yeah, pump and dump kind of a situation can happen in natural gas. If you remember this 530 zone, yesterday it was working. Today it is also working, but yesterday it gave the good pump up. Today it is showing a little bit of laziness to pump it up. Better to prefer a 15 minute scenario only for especially NG. NG, no need to watch on 5 minute, but if you prefer to watch on 5 minute, you have to be quick. Otherwise what will happen, like I will show you one example. Like it will remain the sideways, and in 5 minutes it will goes up, so you will be pretty much trapped in this type of a scenario on 5 minute in NG. I will prefer 15 minutes for NG to take the trade on either side. The more the clear double top or double bottom formation is, the more chances that your trade will be good. And even if it is going up, you will have the courage to even add some more quantity for the short side whenever it is going up. Let me show you one example in Nifty expiry. So if you see on 5 minute here on Nifty, so price went from here to here, it RSI went up and then came down, and only in this much of move the Nifty moved from here to here. So if you see, once this is double top is there and your flip zone is there, so it was easy to take the sell trade, and this red candle also there. But let's say you are not able to take it, you go on 15 minute time frame, you get the signal on this trade, you can take the sell trade as well. So once you take the sell trade, you keep the stop loss at your marked level 18,425 and just hold it and keep on trailing it. It will be pretty much that simple for you to take the trade in Nifty as well with this strategy. Look, trying to come above our cost price, actually my cost price. Hope anyone has took this trade. Be careful if you are in this trade, it is a little bit of a risky trade. Look, on 5 minutes silver is making double bottom. Did you see? If you see here on 5 minute, so it's the same scenario like natural gas. Both of them have this type of trend line, support trend line, which will make them bounce even on 15 minute and even on 5 minute. But 5 minute move will be like, it will just move from here and this will be coming directly over here. So that can be one scenario. That's why preferring to have this 15 minute on most of the commodities. Look, it is exactly at 545. Not going to close above it, not going to go above it. Now look, total rejection. And now this, what about this 5-minute time frame? It was giving you double bottom, right? So there is no proper signal, right? So that's why better to have this 15-minute time frame. And this is pretty much seller's aggression that is showing. So why this is a risky trade? Because we are taking the trade from the middle of this stochastic RSI signal. Based on the price level, we took the trade. So the decision to make the trade, there are 3 parameters. So first, my scenario of this, that it break out, it came to retest, then it made the inside candle. So on the same candle, when it closed exactly at 61.8, I enter in the buy trade. I kept the stop loss below few points below the low of this candle, and 13 EMA was also down, like price was above the 13 EMA. So one scenario of this price action to go up, second scenario the 13 EMA, and third scenario that this trend line was, I can see as a support line in stochastic RSI. So this 3 scenario made me think to go in the buy trade. But since this is at the this stochastic RSI is not even at the bottom, not at the top, it is in the middle between this 20 and 80 range. So that's why I'm not going aggressive when I put the risky trade, because chances are that it will take the stop loss. Hope this is easy to understand about my thought process to take this trade. Anyone if wants to know this in Hindi, do let me know, and guys, do hit the like button. So this was the scenario. Seller tried to push it down, but still be careful. This dotted line that we marked from this morning rejection high, that will be one hurdle for us as well. Once it cross, then this level and 50% level is easily there. So whenever you make the decision, first fix the stop loss and how much loss you are capable to give to the market. Even if someone missed, now this is the perfect to enter even in the buy with the stop loss of this candle, the same low that I have kept it. Now just it has to sustain and defend this 67,576 level. And crude again wants to go up. It met the double top. It met the double top. Let's see if it gets rejection, then there will be selling coming in crude. And as I expected, it is going up. Natural gas kind of taking the support from the stochastic RSI. There is a selling. Be sure that selling will be come in natural gas as well. So one more thing, like whenever this type of double top formation or double bottom formation are there, always wait for them to get it complete. Here it is a good chance to take the sell trade. Even if it is going up, let's say you have the capacity to take 3 lot of put or 3 or 2 lot of put. You can take the 2 quantity of put, then you can take one sell, 1 quantity here, and if it is going up, then you can take the second quantity here and then keep the stop loss here. But in that scenario you should be ready. Even if your stop loss get hit, you should be ready to accept that much of stop loss. Then and then you can plan it. Otherwise, wait for the levels to break down to take the trade. So this is silver as of now. Let's see if it is able to cross this level. So this level is 67,696. So it will be almost 100 point on the above from our entry. Anyone have any question so far? In the meantime, let's watch what is Dow Jones doing. 300 points down. Nice. What is the level here now? Oh, this is important swing now. The swing is already broken, but trying to push it up. Anyway, let's see what is silver doing. This is silver mini. So 1 point is only 5 rupees. And if you check the same, this is for silver, proper silver future. Here 1 point is 30 rupees. And let me check copper. Copper trying to go to retest this level again. So like break down, retest, and then going down. And if you see in the copper, this was your signal. If you see bounce, if it bounce, then it will be the chance, but it break down, and it is like bounce, and now if it is breaking down, then this will be the scenario in natural gas. So that's why I'm predicting selling will come just based on this indicator, stochastic RSI. And natural gas, gold, why I have to go through all this thing. Aluminum. Okay, yeah, aluminum, since now it is at the same level, here better to book profit. Next level to watch 209.55. It gave the quick down move. And yeah, aluminum is today a little bit more volatile. This range, yeah, since it tested 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th time, so this support becomes weak, and then it gave the breakdown. Okay, let's go to the copper also retesting. This is the scenario, retesting. If someone wants to short the copper, the train has been missed, but there is a momentum which can come to take it to 698.90 if with the stop loss of this candle's high, but risk reward doesn't look good. Let's go to the silver. Silver mini still there. back on the cost to cost. So there is a chance that this bounce will not come. There is a chance that this bounce will not come, and then it will go down. So that's why whenever you take the trade, so first you have to quickly think about your exit, your stop loss, and your trade position size. Crude looking for a sell trade from here, but it will be quick move and the points will be less. Crude option is expiring on, sorry, crude future is expiring on 19th of December. Let me make it like this. NG looking more attractive to take the trade on short side, but we have to wait for the signal. We cannot just enter randomly. हम ऐसे ही randomly trade नहीं ले सकते नेचुरल गैस में, क्योंकि काफ़ी वोलेटाइल कमोडिटी है ये, एंड इसमें 1 पॉइंट का चेंज मतलब 1250 रुपये का प्रॉफिट या लॉस. इसलिए इसमें यहाँ से देखो तो 2-3 पॉइंट तो ऐसे ही घूम जाता है. So we have to be pretty much sure, and also like we can see a little bit of double bottom here, sorry, double top pattern we can see in this natural gas, but it will surely go up. I will be not surprised if it will go slowly up, but the price will go crazy up. I won't be surprised, but as per my trade setup, this is not giving me any signal, and the crude wants to still go up. It double top pattern didn't completed yet. No. Yeah, trying to take the stop losses. Let's see. Let's see if it has a more volume or not. Otherwise it is still a fight for this 61.8% level. One time bear take the control, second time bulls take the control, and now again who is going to win. So here we are just relaxed because we have the stop loss which is as per our capacity to give it to the market. So in this trade you will be much more relaxed when you already have the pre-decided stop loss and your how to say exit and entry plan, and your trade quantity is in the same level, then you will be pretty much comfortable. Even you just take the trade and go away and do something else. You put the your robo order of stop loss and target, and here like this NG we have to wait for the signal. It is rejecting from the same level zone. Crude is still the same. This double top formation will be completed as and when, but there is still chance that this thing will go up, stochastic RSI. So wait and watch for crude as well, but NG looks much more interesting as of now. There is a chance that NG can fire it up again. Wait guys, I will be back in again 10 minutes, but keep watching this crude and natural gas and silver. More lucrative looks like a natural gas to short, but once the signal is there. Till the time, just wait and watch. We are already in one silver, and if silver hit the stop loss, then we will exit, and then we will wait for the retest of this 61.8% to go in the short trade. Otherwise, we can also enter in the short trade on the live candle once it takes out our stop loss. Give me just 10 to 12 minutes. I will be back quickly in a few minutes. सो देखो गाइज, अभी क्रूड में सेलिंग आ चुका है, सॉरी इसमें एनजी में सेलिंग आ चुका है जो एक्सपेक्टेड था। यहाँ से एक बड़ा रेड कैंडल, अभी इसको इसके नीचे जाना पड़ेगा और इसको ट्रेंड लाइन के नीचे जाना पड़ेगा। यहाँ से भी एक शॉर्ट ट्रेड ले सकते थे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो तो 1 2 3 वही रेंज से घूम चुका है और क्रूड ऑयल भी यहाँ से भी रिजेक्शन ले रहा है। सो सेम अप्लाई इन क्रूड ऑयल एज वेल। Let's see if this close below 6137 or not. This horizontal line is 6137. If it is closing below 6137, then there is a chance that it will continue the selling. And let's see if this completes the double bottom scenario over this 40 50 range, and now it has to close above this 61.80%. Otherwise there will be scenario of the same selling in silver as well. So be careful. If you want to exit on cost to cost, you can also exit. It is already coming down below this line, so it is showing that it is matching, but there will be chance that from here it will go down. So natural gas already selling is there, even though it moved this much. So now since Dayanand was asking on 5 minute, if you see on 5 minute, it moved from here to here, but look at the movement quick happen in natural gas. So 15 minutes is proper giving you the signal that do not take much buy trade, and if you are in buy trade, be ready to exit quickly. And now this scenario will also play out in crude as well. Let's see what happens in crude. Crude has to sustain below this 13 EMA even on the 5 minute time frame, and this is kind of a one breakout, but let's see how it's played out in crude. So silver, this is now on our stop loss is on risk, that there is a chance that it can take out the stop loss, and this is what NG giving you double top, but fresh momentum selling will come only below 539 breakdown. If it is goes below 539, we will see massive selling in natural gas, and this time maybe there is a chance that it will break this 530 level as well and goes below to test 520. Let's see. So I'm expecting one selling in crude, one selling in natural gas, and as of now this is 50-50 in silver, but chances are there that it will take over SL. So crude can now, if it is sustained below this 6137, chances are that it will come to 6097 again, and natural gas is still falling down, double top pattern, and this pattern will activated once it sustained below 539, and stochastic also giving you confidence to sort it. Let's see how it played out. If hope you get the point of using this setup in commodity on 15-minute time frame. Still, if किसी को कुछ डाउट हो तो पूछ सकते हो कि कहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, या फिर if anyone have any doubt, feel free to ask. We will be acting like a robot for this trade. If our SL taken out, we will be happily going out with loss. So till then we are holding this trade as well, and waiting for this crude to give the breakdown to take the short entry. Otherwise just wait and watch game. I would like to short if it is coming here at 6183, because risk reward is pretty much better to short it once it comes here, so like we can keep the stop loss a few points above the high of this recent swing, and then aim for it. Will give you 1:4 risk reward with this. So we will give how many point from here. 21 point we will give, and we are ready to get 85 points. Okay, let's see. This is just one scenario. I'm keeping it on the side, and this has to close below 539 to activate this double top pattern. And from here to here it's 9 points, so here to here it will come in the same zone, 530. So let's see. So crude is still not willing to close below, so there is chance that it will pump up 6180, and then if it is making any red candle or rejection candle, then it will be chance to short it. Yeah, so in silver chances are high that it will take out our stop loss. Natural gas still trying to sustain above 13 EMA, but it gave quick trade, but this is still has to go below this. And crude, wait and watch. There is a chance that complete reversal can also happen. If it is keep on making the bullish candle like this here, then this trade will not be considered. Only if makes a bearish candle or rejection candle like seller wick, then and then we can take the trade. Okay, so first candle closed below 545. If someone wants to take a risky trade, this will be one risky trade, scalping, pure scalping. Stop loss will be 5550 and target will be 532. This is a bit risky trade. Those who want to take can take the risky trade. And crude is not willing to come down. And let's see what other commodities are doing in the meantime. Just give me a minute. So copper trying to make a double bottom here, but this double bottom could look like this as well. Like this, it will go a bit down and then from here it can jump. So wait and watch. Now don't short copper. It will come down quickly and then reverse. Then natural gas we already have. Aluminum is already flowing like a water now on the downside. So now aluminum, still the time is very less, so let's see. Aluminum already gave downfall quickly. Let's stay with the crude as of now. silver, let's say how it will work out. Look, this is still not taking over, so there is chance that it will go down. So this is just a risky trade. I personally have not entered in this trade yet. I would like to enter only on the breakdown of 539. Also the time is 10:15, so be careful, because if short covering will come, then it will push it up. Wait for the crude to go up. Anyone have any question? किसी को कुछ doubt question है, feel free to ask. Little less sound. Now the sound is okay. Yeah, aluminum took support. $209, actually $209.05 it took support. And if I extend this trend line which is coming, it still has a lot of space to go below. So it will make a Dow theory, like selling, retrace and selling. Let's see, NG copper is trying to go up. I'm much more interested now in crude. I need the closing below 6137. I will just put the alert so that we don't have to keep on watching the chart. And let's see if this will give the target or not. But my feeling is that there will be chance that it can take our stop loss. It is not, it is still hovering around our cost to cost since we enter it. I'm much more interested in crude now. If this is the red candle, then I will enter in the short. Look, 1 2 3. So 1 2, let me show you one thing. Okay, so it is coming where? Almost in the same zone. Guys, can you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? So here if you see crude, I'm much more interested in crude now. It has taken 1 2 3 4 times of resistance, and now just I need the candle to close below 376137. If it is close below 6137, then I will be much more interested to take the short trade. And let's see how this trade is working, because so far since we enter it is still hovering around our cost price, going up and down, and this is pretty much risky trade in natural gas. I will suggest better to avoid, but just keep it on radar. But this looks much more lucrative to attractive to go into this trade. It even not the seller didn't even let it go till this range 6182. So let's say if someone wants to enter the trade, risk reward is very small, so 1:2 will be perfect. So this could be one scenario for those who want to take the sell trade. So there is a chance in this as well to take out the stop loss. Let's see, it is exactly at 6137. Are you able to hear me now, guys? So in NG I think this is about to take our SL. Okay, exit. So now wait and watch, again the selling will come, but now looking for a good up move, as NG always do in the last 1 or 2 hours, that it will go crazy on one sided move. So just wait and watch for NG. Maybe from this zone again it will take the reversal. Voice is coming now, right? The voice is there, right? Still 4 minutes to go for crude. NG wants to go up. Okay, perfect. Crude defending 13 EMA as of now, pretty much well. NG again pulling it down. So wait and watch. If this stochastic RSI goes below this trend line, perfect short. Risk reward is also good. Small stop loss and keep the big target. But this look much more crude looks much more interested. because the breakdown level is very near and the target is also very near, and because we don't have much time, so there are chances that we will get the target quickly. I'm keeping first target here and second target here. Only once it goes or start trading below 6137, till the time no new trade. I think we have to exit on cost to cost if it is not giving any momentum then. Let me see in the meantime copper is again rejecting, trying to make a double bottom. So double bottom, like it can make like this, even go below, and then at that time if it is near our support zone or something like that, then we can take the entry. Yeah, so it was stop loss hunting in which our stop loss taken out. Crude respecting 6137 so far. Why it is not breaking 6137? If it is breaking, then the selling will be fast and furious. You will not able to catch it. A quick downfall like this. Okay. Look. That's why always wait for it to close. Now this is another scenario that it will work for us. This is why we have to wait for a closing. Look at the up move. So this is going volatile, crazy volatile. Look at the volatility. So this is why always wait for the candle to close. Even NG is still going up. Even the RSI is up. So now none of the scenario work out for us in crude as well. It didn't close below 6137 and still didn't take any resistance from this, but it took the resistance from this as of now. But let's see, wait and watch game is going on as of now for us. Look at the volatility in crude now. In the meantime, silver is giving us profit as of now, and the crude there is no signal for any trade. And let's wait and watch for the crude and natural gas. So you will be relaxed as soon as you have the proper trade setup, you know. Here also we had the proper trade setup. This was unexpected move that it gave us, and no one will be able to capture this, you know, because the candle didn't close below 6137 and it directly give the gap up and then immediately short covering till 6263. So now we just have to wait. If it is coming down till here 6220 and then selling start, there could be one scenario. Otherwise from here again a bit of a buy will come, but we will be seeing, we will be watching and observing some more rejection because stochastic RSI is already going on the top of the range. So just wait and watch for the crude as of now. Natural gas about to give the breakdown here. Let's see if it is able to do it or not. That's why now hope you understand the reason for why we have to wait for the candle to close. Here it was keep on sustaining at 6137, and if you miss to enter on the live candle, then this is the live case that will lead you to the different direction immediately. So wait and watch if this close below this and if you find any bearish candle, but the time is the constraint now, so that will be the one thing that will not let us get any proper trade in the crude now. Let me see on 5 minute. On 5 minute it is again going to make a double top. In the meantime silver is little bit in the profit. Natural gas is still there as it is. Let's see what other commodities are doing in the meantime. Copper again pushing it up. So now if copper sustain above 702.25, it will be the buy trade. If and only if this candle close above 702.25. Aluminium again bouncing, but I'm not trusting this bounce as of now, because the bounce will lead it to 210.50 and even till this 13 EMA, and then it can give the downfall again. Let's see how the natural gas will act now. Still no signal for any trade. This wants to break down. NG is also volatile. Okay, so crude wait and watch, rejected from the zone. Let me make it as a resistance zone now. So this is why whenever you see some trend line, better to have that trend line marked, and once the breakdown happens, then and then it will be the entry for your sell trade or buy trade. Alright, so far there is no proper trade uh, based on the price action. Only this trade is going on with me, but I think maybe it will hit the target or not. I'm not sure now. And in this crude candle there is a huge volume, so let's see what happens, because almost 50% already came down from the high, and the NG will start look at the way it moved almost 114 points, and from here it already moved 60 point down. Crazy volatile. Only levels will save you once you have the levels and once you have the plan. So our first plan was to sell if the candle closes below 6137. It didn't give any closing. Our second plan was that if it is coming to 6182 and then make the red candle or a seller wick candle, then that was our next. And in the meantime this NG started to fall down and it is going down. Still, if someone short on the high, book the profit at 13 EMA. This will be 539 will be the next target. Look at this crude. Maybe it will give some sell trade again. Let's see if the sell trade setup is there or no. Now it is coming back to 6182. What a rejection candle. Big rejection candle. So sustaining above 6182 as of now. So we need one candle to either from 6223 or from 6182, a bearish candle at this level or this level. And this candle gave the closing below 13 EMA, stochastic RSI going down. So from 545 we can take the sell entry. Stop loss will be 549, target will be 539, 532 for NG. But the main thing is that the time is our constraint as of now. Time is very less. Let's see other commodities. Copper, yeah, the candle didn't close above this, so no trade in copper. Aluminum still not much convincing. Gold is total sideways. Yeah, now for the safe trader I will advise for natural gas only to sell once it crossed down below 539. Till then just avoid, because the time is not there, only 1 hour left for the market to close, and also it is Friday. And the Dow Jones is keep on going down, so it is going to make the double bottom now, like this, if you can watch. like this. You want to buy aluminum, let me see. Sorry, this is crude. No buy. Aluminum buy only. Aluminum will give one more dip, but only buy about 209.95, but the chances are that it will come till 13 EM and then it will push it down. So aluminum is not buy. Don't buy aluminum now. Double bottom in aluminum. No, there is no proper double bottom. No. Don't go with this. This is a bit risky. It is a risky trade. If you want to buy, then your stop loss, where will you put the stop loss? Here, 209, only 40 paisa, and your target is 210.20. So it is like 1:1 risk reward. So you are at the 50-50. So think about your stop loss. And so 545 was the selling. Selling is going on in the natural gas. And 539 breaks down, then free fall in NG. Where is copper? If you want to buy, watch out for copper. To look, this is called double bottom, so watch out for copper. You can even enter on this candle with stop loss of 700.75 or 700.90. Again, trend line, so you can scalp quickly. Safe sell trade only below 539 breakdown. Till then, enter and exit quick. Scalping is going on. And crude, yeah, let's see now from 6 to 21 how it is going to make the price action. Then it will be scenario. I think some news came which is going to give crude this kind of a weird move. Let's see how our silver is still there. Let's see if we can hold till it reached the target, because yesterday what happened, that it reached till half, and in the morning the target was achieved. And yes, look at the crazy volatility here. So three things are most important to take any trade. Observe the stochastic RSI, observe the 13 EMA and 200 EMA, and observe your price action and candles with your levels. Crude was the perfect example for you to learn why levels are much more important. It didn't break the zone. It went like this, and from here without retracement it just jumped till this zone. And now we have to watch any price action from this zone to take the fresh trade in crude. And the silver has to go above this 67,700. And look, again NG wants to go above, wants to go up. So that's why let it break down this 539, and then we can go. Even if you want to take a risky trade, go on a live candle 539, quickly book at 532, and once it close and comes to retest at 539, then take another sell trade, book at 532 and then trail. If you don't want to book at 532, then you can trail the stop loss and aim for 530. So again, let's see. 545 is a critical level to watch out in natural gas. Copper has to come above this 702.20. Sorry, 702.25. Natural gas still bouncing. Aluminum is stuck. Aluminum is not now, I think, moving. Maybe some volume is missing there in aluminum. Gold wants to go up. Let's see silver. Where is it? Still, where is our silver? Let's see how it goes. This is small trade for today only. So when there is no trade, if the trade setup is not matching with, if the chart is not giving you the trade setup that you want, so you have to just sit back and relax. Here it is not giving the trade setup to go short below this, so we are just sitting back and relaxing to take any proper trade from any one point where it makes the bullish candles, so we can go long. But stochastic RSI is holding us to wait for a long. Don't go long now. Alright guys, so that's it from my side as of now. Only this trade. Now I'm not focusing on crude as well, but crude can give the down move, so wait for 6182 to break down. This will be 6165 will be your immediate target, and 6137 will be your next target. And if it is going above 6221 and sustain above this level, forget about 200 EMA. If it's sustain above this, then again quick move can give till 6263 level zone. So this is it as of now. And the silver, let's see, let's wait for silver a bit. Let's wait. Okay, it has to break now this, and these guys keep on going on. Safe trade only below 539. From here it was a good trade to take, but the volatility is crazy. Yeah, again rejecting from the same level range. Look, the marking is 67696 and the high made is also 696. There could be some news in crude. I don't know. There should be some news or some global event which led. And also this contract is also expiring on 19th. I think it is expiring on 19th on Monday, or I think Tuesday it is expiring. No, on Monday this contract of crude is expiring. So some people just square it off their position and look at this. This is why it is going crazy now. Put premium rising in crude. Yeah, so chances are there that it will fall again. So this is one rejection candle from 6221. So if this close, but it is a bit of risky. It is a green candle, and then if you want to take the sell trade, still this has no sign that it will go down, because it can come here and then bounce back up. Come on, silver. You are the only trade as of now with me. Even I didn't take the trade in NG yet. I want to play only below 539. Look, in silver the volume is rising, so we can trust this breakout now. It W pattern, yes, W pattern in candle in crude, W pattern. Yeah, kind of a W pattern, but this sudden move till this was not expected. That's why wait for the levels to break out or break down. क्या सिल्वर ब्रेकआउट दे पाएगा आज? So if this is the breakout of the W pattern, then it has to retrace till here, and then from here it has to bounce, or at least it has to retrace till 6180 or 82. Silver trying best to give the breakout, but no. Alright, so that's it from my side as of now. So I will be going to end the stream, and if you have any question or doubt, you can directly reach out to me on Telegram. And here I'm going to close the trade for my silver with hardly very few profit. Oh, no, it's moving. Wait. Let's wait a bit. This move is attracting me to hold a bit. Let's wait for 11 minutes this candle to close. Then I will exit on whatever the price it is. Let's wait. This sudden move is interesting. Let's wait this candle to close for 11 minutes more. Expecting some sudden jump in silver as well. Now the volume has to come, otherwise it will be useless for this breakout. The volume should be breaking out this thing now. NG is again in the range 545, 539. Crude trying to hit. Yeah, it will try, but this 6221 is one hurdle for crude. And 6182 now will be working as a support. And copper is just above, so copper looks good to enter. Even if you are late, you can enter in copper. It will give you almost 2 points, but main thing is the time is constrained now. Then aluminium trying, and 13 EM is coming closer. Max target will be 210.50, your flip level. So for your new buy trade setup, it will be only, let's say if it is close above 6221, then it will be buy trade. Otherwise it can also reverse. And look at, this is how you have to watch the stochastic RSI here. Still is in the uptrend move. It has to come down and break down. Let's wait for 9 more minutes, and then I will end the session. I'm still holding this one. Let's see what happened in silver. Crude now, I will avoid crude as of now. It has to give a red candle. One seller, second seller, already two seller wick are there. Let's see, I think silver wants to go down. It's 50-50. Okay, I will show you the crude. So if you watch the crude, 6221 has to be taken out for any upside movement. But chances are there from the stochastic RSI that selling will come. So this is your crude. And let's see, in this 7 minutes can the silver break out this level at least 696? क्या ये लेवल तोड़ पाएगा सिल्वर मिनी? एंड सिल्वर का फ्यूचर इज स्टिल holding it. Let's see, let's wait for 7 more minutes. Crude is again rejecting from 6221. So 2 green candles are there with the seller wick, but let's see, all the next candle are opening gap up after the close. You see it opened the gap up. Again this candle, the close was here, the next candle open gap up. So I'm much more interested in silver as of now. Let's see how it works. क्या ये breakout दे पाएगा? Will it able to give the breakout? 696. NG is still rejecting from 545 range. Silver is still playing there. 6 more minutes to go. Crude is also rejecting. Silver I think is going to reject again and come back to the cost, and we will exit on the cost. If this is the red candle with seller wick, closes below 6182, chances are there. Quick 20-30 points down, and 6137 is there. Silver is still holding. Silver is still holding. Crude wants to go down from the same level, so clear range now we have. Perfect. Crude is rejecting. If it is goes below this 6182, one scalp trade will be there. Silver is also rejecting. Okay, so silver came back to the cost, and last chance, last 4 minutes to watch out for silver. Last 4 minutes. Let's see what it can do. And look at the crude is now stuck between 6221 and 6182. Again the same type of scenario, 6137. If it is closed below, then and then sell trade, otherwise no. And silver is still again cost to cost. Last 2 minutes to watch out, but looks like it will go down now because the 50-50 chance here It is exactly at 50. And rejection in natural gas. Alright, so last 1.5 minute. Silver is going down. Silver is going down. Natural gas is going down. Crude is rejecting. And let's quickly check. Dow Jones is still down. Alright, so I am going to exit the position now on the cost. And that's it for the today. And see you maybe next week. And if possible on the weekends as well. Bye bye. All the best. Yeah, I already exited on the coast now. I have to go now. Alright. Bye.